What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm giving you guys a free step-by-step tutorial to get started earning money on Clickbank, even if you're a complete beginner. Paul James here. Welcome back to another video today. I'm so excited to share this with you. Now, if you're new here and you're not subscribed yet, this is a place where we talk about making money, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, and I answer all questions that come in the comment section of my channel within the first 30 minutes of uploading every video. So if you're not subscribed yet, the best way to get your questions answered is to subscribe and tick that notification bell so that you get notified of every new video I upload so that you can get on the videos quick and ask your questions and I can answer them. But we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to hop on my computer right here and break these 5 steps down. I did another video like this and everyone responded really well to it, so I wanted to do another one for you of a more thorough walkthrough. So smash a like on this video if you're excited for it. Alright guys, so let's dive into it. The complete beginner's guide to Clickbank. We're going to be covering this in 5 steps. Don't skip around or anything. You want to make sure that you get all 5 steps so that you can execute and implement this properly. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to work our way through. Let's start at step 1. Step 1, we want to find an offer. So go ahead, if you don't already have a Clickbank account, sign up to it. If you don't already know, I'm sure you probably do if you're watching this video, but Clickbank is one of the largest marketplaces to find affiliate offers. And if you want to become an affiliate marketer or you are an affiliate marketer, the step 1 is all about finding an offer. It's one of the most important things that you do because you want to find an offer that has a couple of different things. Number 1, it has good commission schedule on it, meaning that you're going to make good money off of it. Number 2, you want it to be a good product. And I'm not saying any of these things are more important than the other. I would probably say that that's the most important thing. Make sure that it's a good product because you want to feel good about promoting it. And you want it to be something that you actually use, in my opinion, because if you use it, you're going to feel comfortable recommending it to other people as well. The third thing you want to look for is good conversions. Sometimes we say like earnings per click, but conversion rate as well is good. Earnings per click basically means like if you were to send 100 people to the offer page and one of them bought, you would take the number of sales, like one person bought maybe for $500, you would divide that by 100 because 100 people clicked it to get your earnings per click. That just kind of lets you know how much you can expect to make for every click you get on the offer. But more important than that, especially when you're starting off, I would say just focus on conversion rate. It's going to be a safer bet. And on Clickbank, they have a stat called gravity, which determines how popular an offer is and how well it's doing in the marketplace. So we want to navigate up here to Marketplace in your upper menu in Clickbank, and we're going to scroll down and pick a category that we think we might want to work in. So they have a lot of different categories on here: business and investing, computers, health and fitness, home and garden. So lots of different things. You know, sometimes affiliate marketers who are getting started, they think they need to like stay in one certain category. You don't really. I mean, you can go and jump all over the place, and you can use Clickbank's metrics to help you determine if an offer is good or not, if it's successful or not. So let's jump into computers and internet. I'm just kind of curious to see what's under there. Now they have some different filters that you can sort by. You can sort by the average sale, popularity, gravity, like I was telling you about. So let's do that. Let's just search by gravity. So gravity is this metric right here. You can see this has a gravity of 4.53, 3.82, and that's across the entire network. So, you know, although this might be a low category or a low gravity, 4.53, might be high for this category or for this category, computers and internet. So I'm gonna keep looking. I want to find something a little bit better example for you guys. Let's look under health and fitness. Let's also make sure we're sorted by gravity. We are. So here we're starting to get up there in gravity. Gravity 234.07. You can see that's a big difference from 4. So out of the entire network, this seems to be doing pretty well. It's called the flat belly fix offer. Now, a lot of times, and I look for this, they'll have affiliate pages. And this is a recap page that they give to you as an affiliate, or you if you're thinking about promoting it. That's going to tell you a little bit about the offer. So we can see here that the average sale percentage per sale is 74%. And you're going to make approximately $37.99 every time you promote this. So let's just click on their affiliate page and see what kind of details we can grab from there. Sometimes they'll have stats, they'll have resources you can use to help you. So they tell you, they have links on their affiliate page, which is nice. So you could basically, where it says XXX, you just put in your Clickbank username there and grab this entire link, and then you can promote straight to this page. So let's just scroll down and see kind of what else is on here. They have a lot of really good resources on their page, which is nice. Okay, so they even have email swipes. Looks like maybe a Google Doc. So that's cool. That might come in helpful. I'm gonna click off of that. So now we know how to find an offer. We know kind of what we're looking for metric wise. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is we want to make a tripwire for this offer. So depending on how you're going to promote, I did a video the other day on how to do affiliate marketing on platforms such as YouTube. You can go check that out. I'll try and leave a card, or I'll put a link to it in the description of this video. You should go check it out. It's really good. It's about how to make $100 a day on YouTube without making any videos at all. And that partially revolved around affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels. But there's other ways to drive traffic as well with this. You can drive traffic through ads, like on Facebook, organically on Facebook, on Instagram by putting it in your bio and building up followers that way. Just lots of different ways. But most of those ways, especially like paid traffic, for example, like if you want to run a Facebook ad, they're not going to respond really well. Like Facebook might not let you approve the ad if you try and run it directly to like your affiliate link here. So I'm going to go to my whiteboard app, and I just kind of want to show you what that would look like. So what a lot of people think that they should do is they should go to CB, Clickbank, grab their affiliate link, and they run it straight to the offer page, to their affiliate link. So they just come and they put a Facebook ad up. I'll just put ad, and it just, boom, the ad goes straight to the affiliate link. Not a good idea. Instead, what you want to do is you want to put what I call a buffer page, and this is your tripwire. Tripwire is something that you're going to use to collect a name and email address. And there's a couple of reasons why this is good. Number one, you're going to have an easier time getting your ads approved to your tripwire page versus coming straight to your affiliate link. You might get by for a little while, but eventually Facebook will probably shut you down. So easier time to get your ad approved. But the other thing that happens is if you send traffic straight to just the affiliate link, that lead, this person that's coming in, they're gone forever. Once they hit that page, that's it. If they didn't click in and buy the offer, you've just wasted whatever it cost you. Maybe you spent $1 to get that person there. You just wasted $1. That's like burning money, basically. However, if we send our ad to a tripwire first, we're collecting that and adding that onto an email list, which we can then have that lead basically forever until they unsubscribe and keep emailing them. And the fact of the matter is that it takes follow-up usually to convert someone. Most people aren't going to land straight on your affiliate offer page the very first time from a Facebook ad and purchase your affiliate offer. It really isn't the case. So that's really what step 2 is about, is you need to come up with a good tripwire. And I clicked the wrong document. That'd be this one right here. So make your tripwire. This could be a PDF. This could be like a report, a free report that you make more about that topic. Maybe you have a unique insight, or you could answer some questions. Go read some like Amazon reviews or some other product reviews or comments on YouTube videos about different questions that people have about this specific problem that the product you're selling them has to solve. And you can make a report all about that, answering those questions. It could be a free video you send them to. It could be a free webinar. It doesn't matter, but you need to make some kind of tripwire. All right, step 3, we need to make a good landing page. Now, a landing page is basically going to be the page that describes what your tripwire is and why they need to enter in their information for it. So I actually have a free training series on how to put together a web page, a website. This could work for landing pages. There's free tools, or not free tools. There's paid tools out there like ClickFunnels, which can help you build landing pages. But I know a lot of people, if you're starting off on a budget, shelling out $100 a month for ClickFunnels really isn't going to be a good option for you, right? But you can follow my free training series. I'll leave a link in the description for it, to set up on WordPress for really, really affordable. It's a lot lot more cost effective if you're just starting off. But you want to design a little web page. We call it the landing page, which is going to talk about your Tripwire. Now, you've probably seen my Tripwires many times, which invites you to a free masterclass where I teach people about lead generation and stuff like that. I'll also leave a link to that in the description too if you want to go check that page out to kind of see how I designed it. Now, I don't actually give away like a report. Instead, I do a training video. So they opt in, they come straight to a training video where I train them for about an hour. And then at the end, I present them with my own offer. Not an affiliate offer, but you still could do an affiliate offer. I just choose to do my own offer because I'm a product creator too, right? So that's what you want to do for that step, is you want to create this page where it's going to talk about your Tripwire. Now, step 4 is where it starts to get really interesting, and we need to start collecting these leads that come in and get them onto an autoresponder. So let me give you some options with autoresponders. So if you go into Google and you type in autoresponder, I'm just going to start going through the list of some of them that I'm familiar with. GetResponse is a pretty popular autoresponder in the affiliate world if you're doing affiliate marketing. ActiveCampaign is pretty popular. Some of these are more flexible with affiliate offers than others, like GetResponse I think is a little more flexible than ActiveCampaign. MailChimp, for example, they are free to start off with, I think, but I don't think they like affiliate marketing too much, so I'd probably stay away from them. Or at least maybe you could start with them and then plan on moving away. But so far out of these lists, I'd say GetResponse is really good. Aweber is even better than GetResponse in my opinion. Try them out though. I mean, yeah, you know, 2 really solid options for you to check out. I would check out both of those. If you're really focused on affiliate marketing, those are probably your best option. As far as the best out of all of them, I'd say probably ActiveCampaign. But again, ActiveCampaign is not as flexible with affiliate marketing as Aweber and GetResponse is. So probably stick with like Aweber or GetResponse. So you're going to collect those leads that come in, and this is where it gets really important and why it's kind of crucial you do this step. And now step 5. Now that you have the leads coming in, you have a Tripwire set up, you have a landing page set up where they're entering in their contact details, they're going into an autoresponder. Step 5 is you need to mail those leads by setting up an autoresponder sequence. And this is where you're actually going to take that affiliate link that you get from, you know, your affiliate page or inside of your Clickbank account. You're going to take that link and you're going to email it out. And again, they have swipes in here. A lot of the affiliate programs have email swipes. They'll tell you exactly, they probably hired expensive copywriters. They probably have emails in there that convert. But this is the key, is that, again, just like most people aren't going to convert when they just come from an ad and land on, you know, the page. Let me clear this off. Most people also aren't going to convert just by coming in and opening up one single email. So let me give you a better flow. Let me see if there's a way I can clear this whole board. There we go, delete. So a lot of people, they get discouraged when they start affiliate marketing because this is what they do, right? They have their autoresponder now. They've, you know, ran an ad. They've captured the lead on their opt-in page. And now they have all of their leads inside of their autoresponder account, and they send out an email, right? One single email, which pushes people over to their affiliate offer. We'll just say AF offer. Okay, and they don't get a sale and they get discouraged. The reason why is because you need to add value in these emails, number 1. So you should give them some sort of wisdom in these emails. What I like to do is I like to change the way that the audience looks at a problem. I like to change the perspective and make them see their problem in a different way. And when you do that, you create a moment in their head where a light bulb goes off and they say, wow, that makes a lot of sense. And when you create that moment, you're much more likely to get the sale. But sometimes it takes more than one email to create that moment for them. So what you want to do is you want to set up a series of these emails to keep adding value, creating those moments, and always send them to the affiliate link. Always send them to the offer in each email. Now on average, from my experience, I find it takes about 7 of these emails to actually make a sale. It takes about 7 points of contact from a complete cold lead that came from an ad or wherever it came from. 7 points of contact for them to actually build up that trust and reshape the way that they're thinking about this entire problem before you make the sale. The good news is with autoresponders, this can all be entirely automated, but this is the way that I would do affiliate marketing right now today. And I would suggest if you're doing it any other way that you immediately stop doing it that way and switch to this model, because it's the right way to do it in my opinion. It's going to build up trust. It's going to add value. You're going to feel better about it. The people are going to feel better about it, and it's going to make you an authority figure in their eyes at the same time. And this is rinse and repeat. Once you have that lead and you send out 7 emails, back off for a while, provide more value for a while, and when another product that you grabs your attention that you benefit from and you like, you can go ahead and create another 7 series of emails and do this exact same thing. Or eventually you might be like me and start creating products of your own or software of your own, and now you have that email list to do that with. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, smash a like on it. Again, if you're not subscribed, you're going to want to go ahead and do that. If you're new here, take the bell notification icon, because within the first 30 minutes of every video I upload on the channel here, if you drop a comment asking a question, I will be there to answer it as long as it's within the first 30 minutes of uploading it. So getting notified of those uploads by being a subscriber is the very best way to make sure that you can be here on time to do that. But I look forward to sharing another video with you. In fact, I'm going to recommend you go check out this video next on how to make $100 a day on YouTube without uploading any videos. We also talk about Clickbank in that one, so I know that if you enjoyed this one, you're going to enjoy that one too. But we'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.